Quality is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics of an object fulfills requirements. The term quality can be used with adjectives such as poor, good or excellent. Inherent, as opposed to assigned, means existing in the object. Inherent characteristic of an object related to a requirement. Characteristic is a distinguishing feature. A characteristic can be inherent or assigned. A characteristic can be qualitative or quantitative. There are various classes of characteristic, such as the following: A. Physical, for example mechanical, electrical, chemical or biological characteristics. B. Sensory, for example related to smell, touch, taste, sight, hearing. C. Behavioral, for example courtesy, honesty, veracity. D. Temporal, for example punctuality, reliability, availability, continuity. E. Ergonomic, for example physiological characteristic, or related to human safety. F. Functional, for example maximum speed of an aircraft. Object can be entity, item, anything perceivable or conceivable. Requirement is need or expectation that is stated, generally implied or obligatory. Generally implied means that it is custom or common practice for the organization and interested parties that the need or expectation under consideration is implied. A specified requirement is one that is stated, for example in documented information. A qualifier can be used to denote a specific type of requirement, for example product requirement, quality management requirement, customer requirement, quality requirement. Requirements can be generated by different interested parties or by the organization itself. It can be necessary for achieving high customer satisfaction to fulfill an expectation of a customer even if it is neither stated nor generally implied or obligatory. Quality applies to product, service, activity, process, system, action, decision, project, thought, concept, idea etc. Can be judged in terms of quality. How good is it? Is it good enough? How can it be better?
People have found many ways to define what is quality. Some of the most popular definitions of quality are discussed here. All of them are right, as they each contain a key element of what quality means to users of products and services. Let us know these one by one. 1. A degree of excellence. 2. Conformance to requirements. 3. Totality of characteristics which act to satisfy a need. 4. Fitness for use. 5. Fitness for purpose. 6. Freedom from defects. 7. Delighting customer. 8. A product or service free of deficiencies. 9. Conformance to requirements. The requirements may not fully represent customer expectations. 10. Quality in a product or service is not what the supplier puts in. It is what the customer gets out and is willing to pay for. And lastly, 11. Value to some person. In a business context, there are 5 aspects of quality. Let us take a look at them one by one. 1. Producing. This means providing something. 2. Checking. This means confirming that something has been done correctly. 3. Quality control. This means controlling a process to ensure that the outcomes are predictable. 4. Quality management. This means directing an organization so that it optimizes its performance through analysis and improvement. 5. Quality assurance. This means obtaining confidence that a product or service will be satisfactory. Let us now see 2 examples of how the quality is measured. 1. Quality is specification driven. Quality is measured at start of life % passing customer acceptance. 2. Quality is observable by the count of rejections from customers. Customers evaluate quality through the prism of their perceptions. Therefore, this makes measurement of customer satisfaction difficult to capture because customers cannot specify in numeric values what makes them satisfied or dissatisfied. It is said that quality is delivered when you achieve the minimum requirement of a specified standard of performance. Businesses have to explore a way to define and measure quality so that organizations can make products and deliver services to standards their customers are willing to accept.